Have you ever considered how your thoughts could be the key to your wealth? This isn't just a rhetorical question, but the core premise of Napoleon Hill's influential book, Think and Grow Rich. Hill urges us to understand that thoughts are not just wisps of the mind, but powerful entities capable of shaping our reality. It's the idea that wealth, success, and prosperity are not just the result of hard work, but the product of a particular mindset. Consider desire, the burning aspiration that fuels our actions, or faith, the unwavering belief in our ability to succeed. And let's not forget persistence, the relentless pursuit of our goals despite the obstacles. These are not merely abstract concepts, but tangible tools that, when harnessed, can lead to wealth creation. So the next time you're pondering your financial future, remember, indeed, the foundation of wealth starts in the mind. Do you know the magic of setting your heart's desire? A question that Napoleon Hill, the author of Think and Grow Rich, urges us to ponder. Hill believed that desire is the starting point of all achievement, especially when it comes to wealth creation. It's not just about wanting money or success, it's about cultivating a burning, all-consuming desire for it. Hill encourages us to set clear and definite financial goals. He posits that ambiguity and vagueness are the enemies of success. If you desire wealth, you must be precise about how much wealth you want to accumulate. Just saying "I want to be rich" isn't enough. Instead, specify the exact amount you desire. Having set the financial goal, Hill outlines 6 steps to transform this desire into its financial equivalent. These steps are a roadmap to riches, a guide to turning dreams into reality. They involve a combination of mindset, planning, and action. Step 1 is to fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. Step 2 is to determine exactly what you intend to give in return for the money you desire. Step 3 is to establish a definite date when you intend to possess the money you desire. Step 4 is to create a definite plan for carrying out your desire and begin at once, whether you are ready or not to put this plan into action. Step 5 is to write out a clear, concise statement of the amount of money you intend to acquire, name the time limit for its acquisition, state what you intend to give in return for the money, and describe clearly the plan through which you intend to accumulate it. And the final step is to read your written statement aloud, twice daily, once just before retiring at night, and once after arising in the morning. With a burning desire, the path to riches is just beginning. Ever wondered how faith can fuel your journey towards wealth? Let's delve into the realms of Napoleon Hill's wisdom. According to him, faith, the second step to wealth, is more than just a spiritual concept. It's a powerful tool, a catalyst that turns dreams into reality. Imagine a seed. Alone, it's small, seemingly insignificant. However, with the right conditions, it grows into a towering tree. Similarly, your desires are seeds, and faith, it's the fertile soil, the sunshine, and the nurturing rain. It's the unwavering belief in the attainment of your desires, the unshakable confidence in your abilities, and the indomitable spirit that no obstacle is too great. Visualizing your desires as already fulfilled, believing in their manifestation. This is the essence of faith, according to Hill. It's not just about hoping, it's about knowing. It's not just about dreaming, it's about achieving. With faith, one can move mountains, even mountains of gold. What if you could program your mind for success? Imagine a tool so powerful it could transform your subconscious into a catalyst for achieving your financial dreams. This tool is not a gadget from a science fiction novel, but a concept deeply rooted in psychology known as autosuggestion. Autosuggestion is the practice of feeding your subconscious mind with thoughts and ideas that support your goals. It's like a mental exercise where you train your mind to believe in the possibility of your success. Your mind, in return, starts working tirelessly towards turning those possibilities into realities. Now you might ask, how can we effectively use autosuggestion? The answer lies in the power of positive self-talk and affirmations. These are not just pep talks you give yourself in front of the mirror. They are deliberate, positive statements that you consistently tell yourself, with conviction and faith. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," affirm, "I am on my path to wealth." This shift in language doesn't just change the tone of your statement, but also influences your subconscious mind to align with your financial aspirations. Remember, your subconscious mind is like fertile soil. It will grow whatever seeds you plant in it. So, plant seeds of prosperity, success, and wealth. Nurture them with positive affirmations and watch as your financial reality transforms. Through autosuggestion, your mind becomes an ally in your pursuit of wealth. Does knowledge truly equal power when it comes to wealth creation? Napoleon Hill certainly thought so. In his seminal work, Think and Grow Rich, Hill posits that specialized knowledge, that is, knowledge that is unique, specific, and not readily accessible to everyone, is a powerful tool on the path to wealth. Unlike general knowledge, which is widely available and thus less valuable, specialized knowledge offers a competitive edge. It's akin to having a secret recipe, a unique skill, or a deep understanding of a particular market or technology. This kind of knowledge sets you apart, making you valuable in the eyes of others. Moreover, leveraging specialized knowledge can open doors to opportunities not available to the generalists. It's like having a key to a treasure chest that only you can open. You can monetize your unique skills, negotiate better deals, or create innovative solutions that others can't. So, is knowledge power? According to Hill, it's specialized knowledge that holds the real power. Armed with specialized knowledge, one becomes a magnet for wealth. Can your imagination be the architect of your wealth? This is a question we ought to ask ourselves. Napoleon Hill, the author of Think and Grow Rich, firmly believed that our imagination holds the key to our financial success. He saw it as the workshop of the mind, a creative space where innovative ideas are crafted and shaped. The beauty of the human mind is its capacity to dream and envision possibilities. It is within this realm of thought that we can construct our own financial destiny. When we allow our imagination to run free, we can dream up innovative ideas, creative solutions, and groundbreaking concepts that have the potential to generate wealth. Hill encourages us to use our imagination as a tool, a resource that can be tapped into and optimized for financial gain. It's about seeing beyond what currently is and envisioning what could be. It's about thinking outside the constraints of the ordinary and daring to dream big. With imagination, the possibilities for wealth are limitless. So how can you apply these principles to your own journey towards wealth? Let's take a quick trip down memory lane and recap the key points we've discussed. We started with the power of thought, the cornerstone of wealth creation. Your mind is your most potent tool, and how you wield it can either make or break your journey towards prosperity. We then moved on to desire, the starting point of all achievement. It's the intense, burning aspiration that fuels your drive to succeed. Without it, your dreams remain just that, dreams. But when you stoke the fires of your desire, you set the wheels of achievement in motion. Next, we tackled faith, the bedrock of every successful venture. When you wholeheartedly believe in your capabilities and the feasibility of your goals, you're already halfway to success. Doubt is the dream killer. Quash it with unwavering faith. Autosuggestion, the medium for influencing the subconscious mind, came next. This is the practice of feeding your mind with positive, success-oriented thoughts until they become ingrained in your subconscious. It's like programming your brain for success. The power of specialized knowledge was our next stop. Knowledge is power, but specialized knowledge is a superpower. It's the kind of knowledge that sets you apart, that gives you an edge over the competition. It's not about knowing everything, but knowing the right things. Finally, we delved into the workshop of the mind, your imagination. It's where you mold and shape your thoughts into tangible action plans. It's where the magic happens, where dreams take form and become achievable goals. Now it's up to you to apply these principles in your life. Remember, these are not just theories, they are proven strategies that have transformed ordinary individuals into extraordinarily wealthy people. They are the stepping stones on the path to prosperity. Remember, the power to think and grow rich lies within you. So tap into it, unleash it, and watch as your journey towards wealth unfolds.